Today we are going to draw a cute whale under the sea. Let's start. Draw a big curved shape like a bean or oval. This will be the whale's body. On the left side, draw a V-shaped tail. Make it look soft and curved.
The deep blue sea, splish and splash, it waved goodbye.
Add a small eye. Draw a smiling mouth.
Bye time. Splish.
Draw a small fin under the body. Add curved lines for the belly texture. Add 3 to 4 bubbles above the mouth. Draw a straight wavy line at the bottom. This is the sand.
Underwater. Bye.
Now, draw the ocean floor below.
Draw plants, seaweed on both
The
sides.
smile stayed with me just for a
Add sand, some plants, shells, and starfish.
sight. Swimming deep in ocean light. Splish and splash, it waved goodbye. Splish and splash, so cute and free. Underwater, bye-bye time. Underwater, bye-bye time. Swimming deep still in my mind.
Add a shell, snail, and starfish. Draw small shapes like stones.
Tail flick and silver shine.
Add some details.
Come back soon, one more time.
Let's make it more fun.
Splash, it wave goodbye. Splish.
Now let's bring our drawing to life with colors.
Under.
Use dark blue, light blue for the body.
Use light and dark tones to make it look beautiful.
Blend for a soft look. Color the belly light blue or white.
I saw a fish so cute and free, dancing in the deep blue sea. Splish and splash, it waved goodbye.
Use green shades for seaweed. Add darker green.
Bye time. Splish and splash. it
Color the bottom with yellow.
Splish and splash, so cute and free.
Color the plants green and the sand yellow or brown.
Bye time.
Shell light brown or
Underwater,
cream.
bye time. It looked at
Snail brown yellow.
gave a smile, stayed with
Starfish orange.
for a while. Then it dived and went out of sight, swimming deep in ocean light. Splish and splash, it waved goodbye. Splish and splash, so cute and free. Underwater, bye-bye time. Underwater, bye-bye time.
Lightly shade with sky blue to show water.
Little friend, I'm glad I find.
Lightly shade horizontal lines in the background to show water waves. Our cute whale drawing is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy drawings.
Goodbye.